Realtors, I'm going to show you how to go from $7,500 to $20,000 in your pocket. So let's get straight into it. You should have a list of all your warm contacts. That includes your family, your friends, relatives, people that you've already served, previous clients. So that should be in your CRM. So go through your CRM list of your contacts, and I want you to ask the following questions when you pick up the phone and you call them. Number one, hey, how you doing, Bob? Number two, I wanted to let you know that I have a partner at eXp Commercial who specializes in commercial real estate and business brokerage. He helps people buy and sell commercial property as well as buy and sell businesses, and see if either they or somebody they know is in need of this service. So you're asking them about commercial real estate. Also, you want to ask, do you know anyone who's looking to buy or sell a business? It could be a mom and pop business, it could be a franchise business, it could be a gas station, a restaurant, anything you could think of, and tell them that our commercial agent sells throughout the whole United States. So it could be anywhere in the United States. It doesn't have to be in Tennessee, Ohio, or where you're at right now. So continue to reinforce in your conversation with them that if they come across anyone who needs these services of commercial real estate or business brokerage, that you and your partner and your company can help with these needs as well as the normal residential real estate services that you provide. So when you have a slow day in your business, when you're wondering, what do I do, or houses aren't moving, you make some calls on a slow day by going into your CRM. And now, after you do that, let me show you the numbers on the whiteboard and how it's going to work for your benefit. So we're finally going to use the whiteboard behind me to show you how to make much more income and money this year. So let's do this. Let's do this exercise. If you're going to refer a buyer, let's say somebody you know, your cousin's moving to another state, and you're going to refer that to another agent, a real estate agent, a realtor, you would typically, let's say they're going to buy $1 million house, so 1 million. And typically, let's just say on average, a real estate commission is 3% of the million. So 3% of $1 million is going to be $30,000. That's the commission as you refer it to an agent in another state. They're going to make $30,000. And because you referred to them a residential deal, you're going to get 25%. That's the average of what realtors do with each other. That's going to give you a referral fee of $7,500, right? That's what you made by making a phone call and referring your cousin as they move to another state, buying a residential home. But let's go next to that and let's do the same deal, 1 million commercial. This is a commercial real estate, CRE versus residential. We're going to get a 10% commission on average. In commercial, it's higher than the 3%. That's going to give us a $100,000 commission, and we're going to pay you our average fee in eXp Commercial, a 20% referral fee, which is $20,000, 20% of 100. So would you rather have $7,500 referring a residential deal or $20,000? This is almost 3 times $7,500. This is how you make the money, by picking up the phone, calling your CRM, asking simple questions like, do you know anybody that might have commercial real estate for sale, or they need to lease or buy something? Also the business brokerage side, and look what you could do. $20,000 a year. If you did that 3 times a year by making a simple phone call and then calling me and making an introduction, you could potentially make $60,000 or more per year. And we have agents that have gotten paid $100,000 up to $400,000 for one deal. Make the calls, refer to eXp Commercial, Paul Zorich, the Zorich Group, and we will help you make more money.